Guys, hello my people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl, Winner 23. Today we are in Hampshire Basingstoke, and we are just walking up and about. And last night there was a thunderstorm. As you can see, it's all flooded here. There was a thunderstorm yesterday. So we're just moving about and we're just enjoying the weather. It's beautiful today. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And for those who are new to this channel, this is your girl, Winner 23. Like and share my videos, guys. So we are just moving about in Hampshire. As you can see, it's just so beautiful. We love this place. We love this place. We are just going to show you around as we walk, you know. Greet my sister. Hello. Yeah.
It's good to meet again.
Yes.
Just enjoying the nice day. Thank you.
It's beautiful and you look amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. So this is our park. It's so beautiful, very nice, greenery. But is it a pond or I've never seen a banana plant here in the UK. This is my first time to see a banana plant in this country, honestly. I've asked my sister, she said it dries up every year. So I think this is the time when it has started shooting up. But I'm not sure if it will give like
It
fruit.
doesn't, because by the time it tries to, it will be winter.
It will be winter time.
It dies and then
Yeah.
it brings up.
It's very unfortunate because now it's looking very healthy. But this is my first time to see a banana plant in this country. Hello? Hello? Can I take a video of this? Yeah, not you.
Oh, to take a photo? Yeah.
Just ducks. That's really nice. Yeah.
We've got little baby ones over there.
Oh. Look at the ducks, guys. We've got little ones there. How many are they?
1, 2,
3?
3, 4.
4. Wow.
That's so cute.
That's very cute. That's so cute. We've got so many ducks, guys, here. So many ducks, and they're being fed. And they look happy and lovely. Look at this.
Lovely waters, nice bridge, beautiful bridge. And this is the river bed. That's the river.